Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to buy and sell Coinbase. Open Coinbase in your browser or app and sign up with email, then complete identity verification using your ID and selfie. Link a bank account or card for deposits and set up two-factor authentication for safety. Familiarize yourself with buy and sell tabs, review fees before confirming, and start with a small amount to practice trades. Before trading, fund your Coinbase account through a connected bank or debit card, keeping transfer times and fees in mind. Use Instant Buy for small purchases when timing matters, or ACH for lower fees but longer waits. Confirm deposit limits and any verification steps your bank requires. Keep records of each transaction for budgeting and tax purposes, and only transfer amounts you can afford to risk. To buy, choose the asset, enter an amount in dollars or crypto, and confirm the order after checking fees and price impact. To sell, select the sell option, pick the destination like USD wallet or another crypto, and review the estimated proceeds. For larger orders, consider limit orders or splitting trades to reduce slippage. Monitor confirmations and transfer times, and enable alerts for price changes to manage positions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.